Hello, everyone. Let's talk a minute about the newsletter. These are articles or posts from my newsletter. You can see they're all over the place. It's not as narrowly focused as the YouTube channel that I have. Most of you are coming from the YouTube channel, where I talk about that a lot. The truth is, you're going to have to know that this is for every data role. It's the single most important skill. So yes, I talk about it a lot. A lot of people think I like it. I don't like it, but it's. I promise. When you get into a data role, whatever data role that is, you will see. You will see how much SQL is involved. Here we talked about this is today why data science failed, the silent crisis in data engineering. This is good news for most of you because a lot of you are thinking about moving into data engineering, right? And right now there's a huge talent scarcity. Now that doesn't make the job easier to get. It just means that if you do choose this down the road, there are going to be tons of opportunities, and those salaries are going to be pretty big. Here we have acing the behavioral interview. So if you're not familiar in the real world, there are actually three steps. You've got the phone screen, where they make sure you're not crazy, and it's a conversation about if you're interested and if you're a good fit. Number two, you've got the traditional interview, or the behavioral, and that's what this is about. This is about the behavioral interview. All right. Behavioral interview is much harder. The last three interviews have been behavioral, so that's why I started here. And then you have the tech interview, and this is for technical people. This is where we get the job. All right, so I think a lot of people are going to find this interesting. Focus on the 1%. There's so much being thrown at us, especially you right now, especially in terms of AI. I mean, you can't open up YouTube without seeing 10 things about AI, and half of it's nonsense. So what you're going to have to do is focus on a very small slice of whatever it is you're preparing for. So if you're focusing the data analyst role, you're really going to have to focus on SQL, and then Power BI, and then some cloud tech. And then you're going to have to spend your time focusing on the 1% within that. And that's kind of what my GPT is about, right? I've curated the questions you're going to see time and time again on SQL Server interviews, and that's what the GPT does. So if you want to get by the interview, I would suggest getting a hold of my GPT and start studying. And again, we've got the AGI lie here, simple computational neurology, and really this is just showing that we can't even have a conversation about AGI right now because our brains are so much powerful than any computer they have. And I talk about that here using some basic math. Gradient boosters. If you follow my channel, you'll know that the top model in the world of predictive analytics is XGBoost, or a flavor of the gradient booster. It's used on regression and classification problems. And here I take a look at, this is a high level look. There's no math in this high level, right? This is, everyone can understand this. But it gives you an overview of how the model works in plain English. So I will, below in the comment section, I will put a link to my newsletter. Sign up. Again, this is all free. This is all free content, right? It's all free. So sign up, have a read. If you want to talk about it, jump over. There's no really good way on the newsletter to talk about it with comments. Like, they don't have a comment section like YouTube. So just bring the conversation over to YouTube, and we'll talk about any of these you want to talk about. All right, have a great day. Check out the newsletter, and we will see you soon.